I'm going to do an unboxing of this Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. So what I needed was an Android tablet to do some testing of an app I'm writing, and I didn't want to spend a whole lot, so this is like a $150 Android tablet. So we'll see just how good a $150 Android tablet is. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and then I'll probably record the screen as I use it maybe, so you can kind of see. I'll grab that in a second. What else is in here? Probably manual. Looks like a SIM card remover. I guess that's what that is. Interesting. I didn't know this had that. I'm assuming that's what that is. Warranty guide. Probably got a charge cable and a USB-C. Yep. Oh, and just a standard USB. Power supply. What is this thing? Does it say the? Looks. This is Lenovo. Curious how good it is. Probably not that high powered. Anything in here? Doesn't look like it. Nada. Okay. So go throw that to the side. And let me pull up the tablet here. Okay, so let's peel this off. It's kind of nice. And just a little bit of a, ooh, slippery. Pretty nice feeling tablet. Ooh, look at all that reflection all over the place. Crazy. All right. Tablet's got nice feel to it. It's kind of square. Might remind you of like maybe a iPad, possibly. It's got a little camera here on the side, single lens. I mean, I'm assuming that's a SIM card slot. That's kind of wild. Didn't know it had that. Where's the power button? Here we go. Power this thing up. Lenovo. Very shiny surface. Holy smokes, like a mirror. That's why you can see literally everything in my office here. And me looking weird at the camera. So I've had a Lenovo in the past, tablet like this. It was actually pretty good. I mean, it's pretty old now, but it is one of their other, probably previous models of this one. Actually, let me just grab it really quick. So, kind of same size, if you will. This one is a, actually it doesn't say. It doesn't power up anymore either, so it's kind of like dead. But I've had this guy for 6+ years. So I needed something new, and I just wanted to try a tablet. It was inexpensive, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the camera view. All right, so this should be interesting. I'm actually holding it with my hand, so hopefully I make a good view out of this. Sure, I agree. Set up offline maybe. Yeah, let's go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi. All right, getting on the Wi-Fi now. Getting this your tablet ready. This may take a few minutes. We'll see how long a few minutes is. Wow, ain't joking when they say a few minutes. All right, finally. Yeah, sure, we can copy some apps. iPhone? No, I don't have a cable. Okay, copy without. I don't need to copy anything. How do we go back? I'm gonna copy and don't copy. There we go. I just wanted to sign in, which we'll go ahead and sign in with. Add an adult. So far, really smooth. Touchscreen is really nice, I think. So I think this is interesting. One of the things it's asking about equipment safety. So it does face recognition, some kind of pattern, a PIN or a password. That's pretty nice. I'm going to do a PIN. All right, I put my PIN in. Continue. Sure. Let's do this. I don't know. It's going to ask, hey, Google. Skip. Allow access without lock. No. Not acceptable. Wow, it's losing focus. There we go. No, I don't need your music. No thanks. Finish device setup. Look at that. Oh, jeez. Rebooted on me. Something. Oh. What? Alright. It's pretty fluid. I mean, you gotta realize for a $150 tablet, it's doing pretty dang good in my opinion. Definitely smoother than the other one I had. Open the browser. Turn on some sync. Sure. Oh gosh, that's probably a bad idea. I just told it it was allowed to send me notifications. I don't want any of this junk. Let's go check out something. See how smooth it is. Very nice. Very smooth. I mean, decent, right? I'm no complaints by any means for 150 bucks, guys. 150 bucks. Pretty nice. How do we get? Oh, that's this. There's no swipe up. Wait, there is a swipe. Kill that one. Games. All right, guys, we're going to do another demonstration here in Clash of Clans. So I just wanted to show you like how smooth it is. I mean, I think the game does pretty good. It's smooth enough. Hopefully I can hold this camera still enough. We're going to go ahead and just do a quick attack. Not anything special. We'll go attack just literally anything. We'll just do this one. So you can kind of see what it looks like when you play. So this isn't me proving my skills, it's just me showing like what it looks like, just to see the performance of it, which I seem to think it's pretty good. I mean, it doesn't delay or lag. And I know this is an older game, but it's a good example of what to expect from this tablet. Another thing I should mention, I should probably show that really quick too, is I watched movies with it on the plane. And it went from like 95% when I first started the movie, watched a 2-hour movie, and I think it was down to 75% battery life. So it does really good with movies. You could easily watch multiple movies on a single battery life on this, which is pretty impressive. Especially again for the price, you're not going to get much better than that. Great tablet for the dollar. But yeah, as you can see, smooth. Does very good. Oh, got 100%. Perfect. Okay, I wanted to show one more thing. So here I am in Netflix app. You can see it's pretty smooth. Tap this movie here and let's start it right up.
Some men know they ain't smart enough to know when they're tempting fate.
And you can tell. Very smooth, has no problems with performance at all. Had no delays.
Them folks have their own ways.
Works really good. So personally, I think it's an exceptional tablet. Does really good with Netflix, does good with games. Hopefully it does well with the app that I'm writing. We'll see.
That's what they all are.